You know, hope is something we should carry with us wherever we go. No matter how tough the battles or struggles we face, we should always carry hope. What does carrying hope mean? It means listening to the voice of hope which resides within all of us. You should always have hope wherever you walk. Wherever you walk, cool glacial fan the glade, trees where you sit shall come into a shade. Trees where you sit shall come into a shade. Shall fan the glade, trees where you sit shall crowd into a shade. Trees where you sit shall crowd into a shade. Flowers shall rise, and all things flourish, and all things flourish, wherever you turn your eyes, wherever you turn your eyes, wherever you turn your shall crowd into a shade.